Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a detailed description of your light brown wood, open space, glass-heavy bedroom surrounded by trees, a sanctuary in the trees. Imagine waking up to the gentle sunlight filtering through a canopy of leaves. This stunning bedroom is a haven of natural light and connection with the outdoors, light and spacious, warm embrace. Light brown wood dominates the walls and ceiling, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The wood's natural tones complement the surrounding greenery. Open concept. The bedroom embraces an open layout, maximizing the feeling of spaciousness and allowing for a seamless flow of natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows, expansive windows on 2 or more walls bring the outdoors in. You can wake up to a breathtaking view of the trees and enjoy the natural light throughout the day. Natural connection. Private balcony. Optional. A private balcony made of wood, with glass railings, extends outwards, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor space. Imagine stepping out for a morning coffee surrounded by the rustling leaves and chirping birds. Living wall. Optional. A vertical garden, also known as a living wall, can be incorporated on one section of the interior wall. This adds a touch of vibrant greenery inside the bedroom and further strengthens the connection with nature. Organic accents, woven baskets, jute rugs, and natural fiber throws add a touch of organic texture and complement the natural surroundings. Modern touches, sleek furniture. Modern, minimalist furniture in light colors keeps the space feeling airy and spacious. Opt for light wood tones or light-colored fabrics to maintain the feeling of openness. Strategic lighting. While ample natural light fills the space during the day, strategically placed recessed lighting or sleek pendant lamps provide a warm ambience in the evenings. Hidden storage. Built-in wardrobes or cleverly concealed storage solutions ensure a clutter-free space and maintain the clean lines of the modern aesthetic. Overall vibe. This light brown wood bedroom is a tranquil oasis. The open design, ample natural light, and connection with the surrounding trees create a truly calming and rejuvenating atmosphere. It's a perfect place to unwind, reconnect with nature, and wake up feeling refreshed and invigorated by the beauty of the outdoors. Here are some reasons why you might consider designing your bedroom with light brown wood, open space, lots of glass, and lots of greenery. Connection with nature. Biophilic design. This design approach incorporates elements of nature to create a calming and restorative environment. The light brown wood, open space, glass walls, and abundant greenery embody this philosophy, promoting a sense of well-being and connection with the outdoors. Improved mood and sleep. Studies suggest that exposure to natural light and views of nature can improve sleep quality, reduce stress, and boost mood. This bedroom design maximizes these benefits, promoting a peaceful and healthy sleep environment. Private sanctuary. Waking up to the view of trees creates a sense of tranquility and escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Light and spaciousness, open layout and natural light. The open space design in combination with expansive glass walls allows for natural light to flood the room. This creates a feeling of spaciousness and eliminates a cramped feel, promoting a sense of peace and calm, warmth and comfort. Light brown wood offers a warm and inviting aesthetic. It balances the openness of the space and creates a cozy atmosphere for relaxation. Airy and modern feel. The combination of light wood, open space, and ample natural light creates a modern and airy feeling within the bedroom. Additional benefits. Improved air quality. Indoor plants can help purify the air by removing toxins and increasing oxygen levels, especially beneficial for a bedroom environment. Reduce stress. Studies suggest that viewing nature can lower stress levels and promote relaxation. The connection with nature provided by this design can contribute to a more peaceful state of mind. Versatility. While the focus is on nature, you can personalize the space with pops of color in throw pillows, artwork, or a rug. This allows you to make the design your own. Overall, a bedroom with light brown wood, open space, lots of glass, and greenery offers a unique blend of nature-inspired tranquility, modern aesthetics, and a spacious feel. It's a perfect choice for those who seek a peaceful and rejuvenating sleep environment with a strong connection to the outdoors. Creating your tranquil oasis, light brown wood bedroom with greenery. Here's a roadmap to transform your vision of a light brown wood, open space bedroom surrounded by nature into a reality. 1. Assess your space, measure and sketch. Measure your bedroom's dimensions and sketch a basic layout. This helps visualize furniture placement, window locations, and potential challenges. Sunlight and views. Identify the location and size of existing windows. Consider if additional windows for optimal natural light are feasible. Analyze the existing views and determine if any trees or greenery can be incorporated into the design. 2. Planning and permits, if applicable. Open floor plan, optional if considering an open layout bedroom within a larger living space. Consult with a contractor or architect to ensure proper structural support and compliance with building codes. Large windows. Research local building codes regarding window size and placement restrictions for your area. 3. Material selection, light brown wood. Choose a light brown wood for walls, ceiling, or furniture that complements the natural tones of the surrounding greenery. Consider options like light oak, beech, or bamboo for a modern feel. Flooring. Opt for light-colored wood flooring or light-colored tiles for a cohesive look. Consider underfloor heating for additional comfort, especially in colder climates. 4. Maximize natural light, window enlargement, optional if feasible. Explore enlarging existing windows or adding additional windows to maximize natural light and desired views. Strategic furniture placement. Arrange furniture to avoid blocking natural light. Beds positioned against walls opposite windows can optimize light flow. 5. Embrace the greenery, living wall, optional consider incorporating a vertical garden on a section of the wall. Choose low-maintenance plants suitable for indoor environments. Indoor plants, strategically place potted plants on windowsills, shelves, or nightstands. Select plants that thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Private balcony, optional if adding a balcony with glass railings is feasible. It extends your living space and strengthens the connection with the outdoors. 6. Modern touches and storage, sleek furniture. Opt for modern, minimalist furniture in light colors or light wood tones to complement the natural aesthetic. Built-in storage. Incorporate built-in wardrobes or concealed storage solutions to maintain a clutter-free look and clean lines. Lighting. Strategically place recessed lighting or sleek pendant lamps for a warm ambience in the evenings. Consider dimmable lighting for added control. Remember, throughout the process, prioritize maximizing natural light and views while maintaining a balance between openness and a cozy atmosphere. By carefully planning and considering your preferences and local regulations, you can create a truly calming and rejuvenating bedroom retreat surrounded by the beauty of nature. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.